Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to talk about the Teletubby again. Teletubby aka Squash. See, me did know say there are very few entertainers who I would consider bigger informer than me. Everybody knows me, I'm a big informer. Such man is one of them. Even if me inform for 10 more years straight, me can't catch up with such man. Big informer. But I saw it go, I must say we're all a part of the informer fraternity. Even though you hear artists talk about burning farm and any boy give police information and we not call no name and we not snitch and we never snitch. Never snitch. Unique on me. But right now, another DJ look like he wants to surpass me on the informer scale. I talk about Teletubby. Long time I tell them say Water Commission pipe bus. The Florida Water Commission, like how you have NWC, this is the FWC, the Florida Water Commission. When you find out the details about Squash case, not the most recent one, or not just the most recent one, but even one name before that, and then you see how certain things are work out for him, it has to be studied. But if you try to study it, you might still not pass. Because the maths is not maths thing. Right now, if me lap around Squash, they will find one place deep in the woods of Arkansas and hide. Because the feds are probably coming. So Nationwide released some details from the arrest of the Teletubby. Turns out Uncle Sam has been watching the Teletubby and him crew. You Irish Saxons think that this whole thing could have gone on with J-Man and all them people there. Big shooting, big murder going on in Florida. And Irish Saxon name called upon that. And Uncle Sam police. Florida police are going to turn up, make 2 arrests, and done this so. Guy, the man them want yam everybody food. Even the man them quote unquote get to all for them food. Florida police want yam. Them know so Teletubby deeply involved in the hostility. Them know how the J-Man thing go down. Them hear about Teletubby and man na Florida war. Them hear about Ramos them hear about World Dog them hear about everything. The man them a watch Teletubby. FBI agent spot when Teletubby I left with the gun. This is very likely an undercover FBI agent, by the way. The feds, right, I watch Teletubby and him friend them. Even seeing say the administration change and them see say the new president Skinner itch him for that man from Uncle Sam. Them youth still can't hold the meds, you know. Fed spot when time Teletubby I left with the Glock. Cheap Glock at that. Carry my driving get pull over. Him and a youth then call Zidane. Get pull over in that one Benz. When time I see that right away the bad mind turn up even further. Benz. Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. Get on up. It's bad mind time. The police them sometimes then draw down for the Teletubby and get a good look on him. All 3'2". Weighing in at a stout 398 pounds. When them look, Teletubby a fumble and move all about the place. Them all spot when time him put all gun in a one compartment on the car. Teletubby fool, you know. This low IQ dopey but no sense, you know. The youth will drive the car of a suspended license. And then quite bizarrely, Teletubby tell them say no gun in the car but you can't search it. And them go immediately in the same spot where Teletubby put the gun. Let me see that one more time. So quote unquote federal agent I watch Teletubby watch when time he left with the gun. Police drive down the car, pull over Tubby, and the next youth, Zidane, Toby take out the gun and put it in the glove box. Still have the holster on him. This boy is a genius. Or is he something else? Wink, wink. So Toby put the gun in the glove box. Police draw down upon them. The next youth have suspended license and the next gun in the car automatically drop on him, you know. Dog name theme suffer. Them say, hey, Mr. Toby, you have gun in the car? Toby say, no. Them say, can we search the car? Toby say, yes. Cheap Glock. Cheap Glock, guy. 3 loaded magazine. 1 in the driver's side door. 1 in the center console and 1 in the trunk. It notes that the police mentioned that Squash has no legal status in the United States and is already before the court awaiting a separate immigration hearing. This was not a random stop. This was a planned operation. Some things are not adding up here. Then Mr. Them put say all him get for all that is one look 2,500 bond. So here is a DJ boy, Irish Saxon DJ Duppybot, who was already before the courts, who's already known to the feds, involved in all kind of gang war, already before the courts for immigration issues, and I move around with cheap Glock, quote unquote FBI agent, seen when he put the gun in her waist and I left with the gun, alert police to follow the car pull over Teletubby put the gun in the glove box, the glove compartment. Police say, hey Tubby, gun in the car? Tubby say no. Them say, oh, so we can search the car? Tubby say yes. The man then goes straight into the glove box. More questions than answers. DJ Duppybot, Teletubby. Get up every day and talk about burning farm and like inform and the man not fi call the man name and the man not for this. Duppybot, Teletubby. You're trying to tell me that Florida, a state where no itch fi fling way them owner, born and raised citizens over cheap Glock. Guy, let me tell you right now, in a Uncle Sam place, if you make police hold you with one cheap Glock, I better than hold you with one dead body in a trunk. I better than hold you with one body in a trunk. You can probably tell them, see you find the body on the road and the carrot guard, the margar sitting. They're more likely to give you a blind. Guy, cheap Glock? Police hold this guy who's already before the courts and immigration issues. Police hold this immigrant guy, Irish Saxon at that, with cheap Glock and get $2,500 bond. Now, as somebody who's a pro-informer, my only issue with these cases is that these entertainers won't come out and support other informers. This is my problem, and I'm telling you, say the quote-unquote bad man in Jamaica is the biggest informer there is. This is why civilians should not be shamed to be informers, because you cannot be a bigger informer than your favorite 87, your favorite 90, your favorite 116. These are top-level informers. It's just who them inform to. So the 87 inform to Squaddy, the 90 inform to Squaddy, the 116 inform to the US Marshals and the FBI. But everybody are informed to Smaddy. So why be ashamed to be an informer? Teletubby next song must be big up all of the informer them. Guy, no Florida, what me know about, can't hold that the Duppybot boy there with cheap Glock. And that's all come out tight. Man pull you over and you put gun in a glove box and then give man consent to search the car and the man then go right in the glove box and you go before a court on a cheap Glock charge and judge said just give me one look 2,500 DJ boy. File. No, because of the immigration case, they might still hold him on that. But him go get banned on the gun charge, cheap Glock, guy. Me can tell about Yankee, born and grow Yankee will get all with chick Glock. And the only band them and they know are the James Bond movie. Right now, in a Uncle Sam place, I'm telling you guys, I better than hold with one body in the back of the trunk than hold with one chick Glock. And that's for them born and grow citizens me I talk about. Much less one dopey bat from hobby. Yo, big up the informer fraternity, yeah, man. Nah, stop inform. The brother with them all is squash dog near me or supper in the youth. I tell you that. Dog near me. Or will there be a competition for who can tell the most? Will there be a competition for who can tell the most? Just like when certain things go down, I'm telling say guy, them the man they can't get them the sentence there unless him a leave. But Irish Saxon said, oh yo, you're idiot, cause them man are real man. Cause them things that you want to look a dopey bat done from around West Kingston or around Moby or somewhere down at Tel Aviv. Are the quote unquote top man to them. Them things that them man they can't stand before the US court system and they're gonna be like, oh Lord, I want top man, make you go easy pan him. Go easy pan, guy, your favorite done them a leak. When you see Uncle Sam plan big operation, go through all kind of trouble and give a man a little sentence and they say, boy, I'm lucky. No, I'm not lucky, you're just simple. Simple folk. After you're done known to the police, repeat offender, man I go say, can I search your car? Yeah man, do your thing me G. Nothing in here. And you just put gun in a glove box. It has to be studied. 2 squash supposed to leak at the police station there. Police them might tell them say, please stop the chatting. Please stop the chatting. You give intel in a yard and foreign. Please stop the chatting. Police tired. They must alright, we hear enough now, dog. Jaja. You can't make this up. Police affair tell squash to go easy. Please stop the chatting. Too much intel, dog. Too much intel. We only ask about that 1 murder and that 2 murder and the man over there so I ship the gun then. Oh, you reach gone back down in some crime go on. Assault Spring in a 2012. Go easy now, man. Vile. Yo, squash fans then make sure so now the onion lime ready for send over cause right now in vice box supposed to roast it like one whole chop. The amount of abuse that you get. Please stop the chatting. Please stop the chatting. Me give intel in the yard and foreign. Big informer, all of them. But we like informers. Cause me a big informer too. I just don't like when big informers go sing song about not informers and a disinformers. Come on, bro. I want link. I want you. Please stop the chatting. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.